Hello and welcome to MMO Crypto. Today, we're diving into a unique aspect of the crypto world, meme coins. Have you ever imagined that popular internet memes could become digital currencies? Well, it's already happening. The crypto space has seen an influx of coins inspired by well-known memes. And these meme coins have attracted a huge fanbase. Ever wondered about the true purpose of these coins? Are they worth investing in? Or are they just a passing trend? Today, we'll explore three of the most popular meme coins: Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Pepe. Each coin has its own story, community, and appeal to investors. Let's start with Dogecoin, one of the first meme coins that quickly became an icon in this trend. Dogecoin is not only a coin but also has its own blockchain. Known for fast and low-cost transactions, this makes Dogecoin accessible and a popular choice for small transactions. You can find Dogecoin on major exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, OKX, and Bybit, reliable platforms for crypto trading. So, what's next? Let's look at Shiba Inu, another standout meme coin with its own unique appeal. Shiba Inu was launched in 2020. During a particularly exciting and dynamic time in the crypto world, Shiba Inu quickly gained popularity as an alternative to Dogecoin on the Ethereum blockchain. By 2021, Shiba Inu's value skyrocketed, attracting thousands of investors eager to explore the blockchain. With trillions of Shiba Inu tokens in circulation, its price is low, however. Because it's built on Ethereum, transaction fees can be slightly higher. Finally, we have Pepe, a coin inspired by the famous meme Pepe the Frog. This meme is not only popular but also represents a part of internet culture. Pepe coin quickly attracted attention thanks to a strong community and viral marketing campaigns. This has made Pepe more than just a joke, it has become a serious player in the crypto world, showcasing the power of community in driving a coin's value. So, which meme coin is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Another interesting aspect of meme coins is their game applications. Meme coin is also known through a Telegram game where users can click to mine coins, fight bosses, and earn rewards. With over 20 million users and 7 million members in its official Telegram channel, this game has created a strong and engaged community. As you level up in the game, other meme characters are unlocked, adding excitement and diverse experiences for players. If you haven't tried this game yet, what are you waiting for? It's completely free, and the download link is in the video description. Now, here's a fun question. Which meme coin do you think is the best? Share your thoughts with us. That's right. Now, let's answer another question. Where can you buy these meme coins? You can trade them on top exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, OKX, and Bybit. You can also buy them directly on the Ethereum network through decentralized exchanges like Uniswap and similar platforms. Are meme coins valuable? This depends greatly on community support and popularity. Typically, meme coins don't have specific use cases. They're mainly for fun and new experiences on the blockchain. However, even the biggest meme coins can experience significant price volatility, as their value depends on community interest and attention from the crypto market, which, as we know, is often short-lived. Remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose. That's it for today. Don't forget to follow Meme Academy for more tips and insights into the exciting world of meme coins. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.